Hi students, let me discuss with you a poem written by Robert Frost, The Road Not Taken. This poem is about making choices in life. He compares our choices to roads diverged in a yellow wood. Just imagine you are walking on a road and suddenly you see your road is divided into two um, small roads. Um, how do you decide which one to take if both roads take you to that same destination? How do you choose the road? What are the parameters of choosing that road? When you know that both the roads take you to the same destination. So we can compare this kind of situation to choices that we make in life about many decision making moments, whether taking up a right course in life, means a course, or choosing the partner for marriage, or choosing a place to stay, or any um, life changing decision making. So here the poet says, so this poem is considered as a poem which speaks of individuality, making your own decision, um, means without being pressurized by others to make decisions in life. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both. The poet says that. So he found himself in a crossroad, and in a forest, two roads diverged. Means he saw that his road is split into two in a forest, and sorry I could not travel both. So he could not travel in both roads. Why? Because he was only one traveler. So be one traveler. So, how he decided which road to take? Long I stood and looked down one. He just looked at the first road as long as he could to where it bent in the undergrowth. It means till as far as he could see, he just looked at the first road and then took the other. Then he decided to take the other road. And what was the parameter for choosing second one? He says, as just as fair. So both the roads looked equally fair, good. But the second road, perhaps having a better claim, it was more challenging. It looked more thrilled to walk on. Why? Because it was grassy. Grassy means here, not many people walked over that path and wanted wear. Wanted wear means here, it lacked footprints. It was a virgin road. It was less traveled road. Means there is a lot of scope for getting name and fame, identity for oneself if he chose that second road. So that's why both roads appeared good, but the second one had better claim. It was more challenging because less people walked over that. Though as for that, the passing there had warned them really about the same. But after crossing on that road, walking on the road for some time, he felt that the second road was equally same as the first one. And both that morning equally lay, and why how he chose that second road. And again he comes to that decision making moment. Both that morning equally lay in leaves. So both the roads were covered with leaves. No step had trodden black. No step had trodden black. Means here trodden black means treading means walking. So if people walk on grass, what happens that it becomes dark. So the road has not turned black, and it looked fresh. Both the roads looked fresh. So both the looks appeared equal. So he could not choose any road because of their appearance. Both roads looked means equally similar. Oh, I kept the first for another day. Then he says, I kept the first for another day. So he chose the second road thinking that he could come back if he wanted to the first road sometime in future and walked on the first road. At knowing how way leads onto way. But usually, generally, what happens is that when you walk on a road, it is very difficult to come back and start fresh. Any decision for that matter, whether choosing a partner or choosing a course or choosing a job or choosing a place to stay, once you decide on something, it is very difficult to come back, withdraw from the decision and take a new road. So it is generally difficult, but he thought, okay, let me keep the first road for some time in future. I shall be telling this with a sigh. Somewhere ages and ages hence. But the thing, very astonishingly, the poet feels that he should have tried the first road also. Somewhere I should be telling this with a sigh that I could not have that experience of working on the first road also. So somewhere ages and ages hence, sometime in future, I would be able to tell this my experience of walking on the second road with a sigh, because I could not have that first hand experience of walking on the first road. Two roads diverged in a wood, and I. So he specifically he stresses on that word, letter, pronoun I. So why he says that he stresses on that pronoun I? Because he wants to emphasize the fact that it is his own decision. Nobody has forced him to take this decision. He was all alone, and it was his decision. So I took the second road. Why he took the second road? Because it was less traveled road. It was a less traveled road, so he chose the second road, and that has made all the difference. It has made all the difference in his life. Whatever he is today, it is because of walking on the second road. It was, but he is still thinking of the road which he has not taken, the road not taken. That's why we have this title. So he's still thinking of the road, because that's about life. So that's what we often read in behind the driver's seat in all these KSRTC buses. ಇರುವುದೆಲ್ಲವ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇರದುದರೆಡೆಗೆ ತುಡಿಯುವುದೇ ಜೀವನ. Adiga's poetic lines. So we always think of what we don't have. We may be very highly satisfied with what we have, but we always think of what we don't have in life. The road not taken. He is successful because of walking on the second road, but still sometimes he sighs and tells that, okay, I should have walked on that road also. So, but whatever he is today, it is because of walking on the second road. So I took the one less traveled by. So I took the road which is less traveled by people, and that has made all the difference in whatever I am today. It is because of this particular decision. And so this poem is about individual decision making capacity. So this is about making one's choice on his own or her own, without depending, without being pressurized, without being forced by others to make decisions in life. And so the parameter for the poet to take that decision road was that it was grassy and it lacked footprints, marks, so that he could start something fresh, and it looked more adventurous, challenging, as it was less traveled road. He had lot of scope to show his talent as an achiever of walking on that less traveled or more challenging road. Thank you.